What if you could run two AI coding helpers at the exact same time, not one after the other, both right next to each other, working while you watch? OpenCode Desktop just quietly shipped an update that does exactly that, and most people using the tool right now don't even know it happened yet. It changes how the entire app feels to work in, and I want to walk you through exactly what's new and why it actually matters. I'm the AI voice clone of Fred. He runs an AI-powered online course business, and he makes videos on the latest AI news, so you're always up to date. If you want to learn how Fred made over 5 grand in 48 hours, he's made a free course, link in description. You can also book a free one-to-one call with Fred or a member of the team, and we'll give you a custom step-by-step roadmap for you to get to $10,000 a month and more using AI. Spots are limited. Quick bit of context first, in case you haven't come across this one yet. OpenCode is a free open source AI coding agent. Think of it as a smart helper that writes code for you, edits your files, and runs commands, and you can use it in your terminal, in your code editor, or in a dedicated desktop app. The part people really like is you're not locked into one AI model. You can plug in Claude, GPT, Gemini, and a bunch of others. And there are free models built right in, so you can start using it without setting anything up first. This isn't some tiny side project either. It's used by millions of developers every single month. So when it gets a major update, it's actually worth paying attention to. So here's the update. OpenCode Desktop is now built around tabs, just like the tabs in your web browser. Before this, you basically lived in one window at a time, one task, one focus until you were done. Now you can open a tab, start a fresh session, and get to work. Then open another tab and start something completely different. Each tab holds its own separate session and you can jump between them whenever you want. And this works across Mac, Windows, and Linux, so it doesn't matter what machine you're on. What that actually gives you comes down to a few simple things that add up fast. You can start a brand new session in a tab the second you begin something new. You can open an old session from any of your past projects right inside a tab, so nothing you've built before is ever lost. It's just one click away. And when you're finished with something, you just close the tab, clean and simple. It sounds small on paper, but if you've ever had 5 things going at once and kept losing your place trying to juggle them, you're gonna feel this difference immediately. And here's the part I think is genuinely the most useful piece of this whole update. Each tab can run a completely different model, so one tab can be running a free model, while another tab right next to it is running something stronger. You're not locked into one choice for the entire app anymore, you're picking per tab. That matters a lot more than it sounds like, because it means you can test the exact same idea 2 different ways at once. Run it with one model in this tab, run it with another model in that tab, and then just compare which one actually did the better job. No restarting anything, no losing your place, you just click across the top and keep moving. Picture it like this. One model builds out a website in one tab, while a completely separate model builds an onboarding page in the tab right beside it, both working at the same time, both finishing on their own. And you're just flipping between the two, watching them work, instead of sitting there waiting on one to finish before you can even start the next. By the way, if you want to learn the exact system I've used to make over 5 grand in 48 hours using AI and online courses, I've made a 100% free course that shows you exactly how I did that step by step, so you can just copy me. The link is in the description below. And if you want deeper guidance from me, you can also apply to book a free one-on-one call. On that call, I will give you a customized roadmap for you to start making money with an AI digital product. No previous experience needed. Spots fill up fast, so book yours now. All the links are in the description below. Now, here's a trick that a lot of people are going to miss, and it pairs really well with the tabs update. OpenCode Desktop now works cleanly with Ollama. If you haven't come across Ollama before, it's a tool that lets you run AI models directly on your own computer, fully local, nothing sitting on someone else's server. That matters for a few real reasons. It can be more private because your work never leaves your machine. You're not sending every single request out to some outside service. And it keeps working even when your internet connection is being slow or unreliable. Setting this up used to genuinely be a chore, but that's not really true anymore. Ollama can now set up OpenCode for you directly. You run one short command and it gets everything ready to use a model right on your own computer. The one thing worth knowing, for coding work, you want a model with a big enough memory window. OpenCode likes a context length of 64K or higher. which is just a fancy way of saying the model needs enough room to actually hold your whole project in its head at once. Pick something that fits that, and you're good to go. And picking a model isn't complicated either. Olama gives you a whole menu to choose from. Some run right on your machine, others run in the cloud if you want more power without downloading something huge. For a lot of everyday coding work, a solid local model does the job completely fine. So who actually needs this update? If you only ever do one small task at a time, the old single window setup was probably fine for you. But realistically, most people don't work that way. If you're juggling a few different projects at once, tabs are going to save you a genuine amount of mental energy. If you like keeping your work local on your own machine instead of sending it off somewhere else, the Olama setup is built for exactly that. And if you're someone who likes testing a few ideas quickly before committing to one, this is honestly perfect. Test one idea in one tab, a different approach in the next tab, and compare them side by side without losing either version. Here's the bigger picture though. A tool that lets you run multiple sessions, multiple models side by side for free with the option to keep everything fully local if you want to is a genuinely different experience than what most people were working with even a few weeks ago. It's easy to scroll past an update like this because it's not flashy, it's not a brand new model with a big headline number attached to it. It's just tabs. But the tools that quietly remove friction from your actual workflow are usually the ones that end up mattering the most 6 months later once you've built a habit around them. That's really the story with this one. Nothing about it requires you to learn a new tool from scratch. It's the same open code you already know, just with the clunky parts smoothed out. And when the friction disappears, you naturally start using the tool more, testing more ideas, running more things at once, because it finally feels easy instead of like a chore. That's usually exactly the moment worth paying attention to. If you're serious about making money online with AI digital products, I made a 100% free course that shows you exactly how I do that, step by step, click by click, so you can just copy me. It's completely free and you can get it by clicking on the link in the description of this video. And if you want deeper guidance from me, you can also apply to book a free one-on-one call. On that call, I will give you a customized roadmap for you to start making money with an AI digital product. No previous experience needed. Spots fill up fast, so book yours now. All the links are in the description below this video.